Music's been a part of my life since the moment I was born. I wouldn't be who I am without music. My mother was a singer. My father was a singer. My grandfather was a singer. Music is all a part of me. It's all a part of us. It's all a part of everybody. There's no life without music. I'm Greg Gutty, and this is my story.
Sometimes the road seems hard to bear. Sometimes the road seems hard to bear.
I got my start singing at 5 years old in the church, and it grew from there to doing talent shows and singing at other different church conventions and stuff like that. As a youth, my aunts and family members would play a lot of Otis Redding and different classic soul music. Then went from that to hip hop, and most recently, I discovered the music of Bob Marley, and I believe that was the most influential music to me because certain things that he spoke about and his perspective on music is how I was raised. Prophet William Saunders Crowdy founded the Church of God and Saints of Christ in 1896, and my family was one of the original members. They call us colored people. They call us black, Negroes. Prophet Crowdy taught us that we are Hebrew Israelites. That's our nationality. And then with Bob Marley, he spoke about peace, love, and unity, but the deeper message that he had as far as Rastafari and the culture and the children of Israel and keep certain traditions from old times. That's when I was able to connect my roots, and I just want to carry on the same message. It wasn't even like I was intentionally trying to do reggae music. It just kind of happened that way. Yeah. I looked in the dictionary and I came across the name Gutty. And it meant standing strong through hard times. I was like, wow, that works. That actually relates to me. And it became an acronym. Getting up through the years, from the bottom to the top. When I really took my career serious, I'm going to every open mic there is, doing 7 shows in 1 week, performing from here to New York to Atlanta, everywhere. I would sell CDs on the street. That's how I got my name out there so much. I was like, eventually I know I'm gonna need a band to develop the sound that I'm looking for. So that's when I reached out to different musicians and started putting the pieces together. And I named it The Port of Rain, which stands for music surrounded by the spirit of Yah, the Most High. Being on stage is an experience. You go into another person, it's almost like you're not yourself. The people's responses and people singing along to your songs, it's a lot of excitement. The music world is a powerful industry, and you definitely got to keep up. You know, it's very fast-paced. For every door that opens, you've had at least 10 or 20 that were slammed in your face. But I love what I do. I get to spread my music and the message to the people who really need it the most. I just appreciate that opportunity that music gives me to be able to travel, go to different parts of the world, and just meet so many different people and just learn and grow. And hopefully my music can help someone, maybe far and near. Whether it's coming to shows, just to dance and have fun, or sitting back and really vibing out to the content of what I'm saying. I appreciate everyone who listens and has supported my career so far. The journey's just begun. No matter how beautiful life may seem, you can't really ignore the harsh realities that a lot of us face on a day-to-day basis.
Just got me living without.
Watching the news, there's always another black man getting killed or police brutality.
Look outside my window.
And that's really seemed like the only way you can make the news is by having something negative. It's rough.
So I read my Bible.
Me, myself, I've been through my own share of hardships from being incarcerated and having kids at an early age. But even though things seem like out of control, looking back on it, I wouldn't be who I am today without those moments in life. Now it's like me being a musician, I can share those stories and hopefully prevent someone else from going through certain things that I went through. Because that's what music is for, it's therapy. It was always a melody or a song or something that got me through my darkest moments. It's kind of hard not to sing and write about it. And a lot of times you get lost in the music because you don't really see your way out of the situations that you're in. At the same time, you have to be optimistic. It's all about finding the right way to channel that energy and use it towards something positive that can motivate you and inspire you to keep pushing through. And music gives me that outlet to do that. That's a beautiful thing. Growing up in Portsmouth was bittersweet because a lot of great talents come from here. But at the same time, it's a very dark place too because there's a lot of underprivileged people just trying to survive every day. Although you see a lot of destruction around you, it still was a certain love that we all share. We just try to uplift each other in our own way. We look after each other at the end of the day. My music will always have that spirit of Portsmouth in it. Day by day, song by song, stage by stage, city by city, I'm just out here trying to make the world a better place. Just me and my guitar, fulfilling my purpose. I feel like that's my reason for even being a musician, is to use my gifts to inspire people to do the right thing. That's what I'm going to keep doing. That's what I've been doing since I was born. And that's what I see myself doing until I'm gone. Music gave its all to me, and I give my all back to music. Greg Gutty.